Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Friends, today I have taken a new video like every day. Today, our video topic is how to close large pores in skin at home. Before starting, I want to say, please subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon for more updates. At first, take a clean bowl. Then, take some toothpaste. Now, add 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel. Mix it well. Add 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Mix it well. At last, add 1 tablespoon of yellow portion of the egg. Now mix it well properly. Now it is ready for use. Apply it on your face 3 to 4 times before 1 hour of bathing for better results. Friends, see you again in our next videos. Friends, thanks for watching. Please comment, like and share.